Desktop management is causing serious headaches for IT today. End users want freedom and flexibility to access their applications and data from a multitude of devices and locations. But this drives up costs as IT attempts to balance user needs with financial constraints, internal policies, and compliance requirements. How can you accommodate user needs like freedom, familiarity, flexibility, and mobility, and the needs of IT administrators such as security, control, manageability, and compliance using a common framework? With VMware View, you can modernize the desktop by virtualizing key components and moving them into the data center. With desktops virtualized and residing centrally, you're set up for simplified desktop management and increased security and control with the performance end users demand. View Composer allows IT to get a single image model where a gold master is used as the base image for groups of desktops. This gold master contains all of the components that are common across a group of desktops, including the base operating system and applications. This single image model means the IT administrator has fewer images to touch when it's time for upgrades or patches, so they can be rolled out faster. In addition to making the IT admin's life easier, View Composer and the single image model reduce storage requirements by reducing redundant data. Once IT has created a gold master image, they can focus on getting applications installed or included with the base image. One method is to have the application included as part of the base image. This is the traditional method of installing the application to the base operating system. Another is to have the applications assigned through View Administrator. Application assignment allows IT admin to assign an application to a desktop or pool of desktops to simplify application deployment and management. There are times when an end user may need applications installed locally that are not universally managed by IT. In this case, IT can use VMware ThinApp to virtualize the application and then deliver that virtualized app directly to the end user. The application, unique to this end user, is then stored in the end user's persistent disk. This persistent disk includes documents and customizations for the end user's desktop. It is combined with the gold master image to create a personalized desktop for each end user. Once the personalized desktop is running in the data center, the end user can then access it using the View client from almost any device and any location, all with a consistent look and feel. Devices can be traditional desktop machines and laptops, thin clients, zero clients, and even mobile devices. End users have the ultimate flexibility and choice in how and where they access their desktop. When an end user opens up the View client, their username and password are sent to the View Manager for authentication with their credentials in Active Directory. Once authenticated, View Manager then connects the end user to their desktop. With desktop centralized in the data center, VMware View offers maximum flexibility for both end users and IT organizations. End users can access their work desktops from a variety of devices and locations. IT admins can manage the applications and operating systems from a single console, making their job easier if you don't have an active network connection. Let's say you're on a plane traveling for business and you need to work on a document or presentation. View Client with local mode allows you to check out your desktop from the data center and move it to your laptop. You can then complete your work offline, and any changes are synchronized with your desktop in the data center the next time you connect. What is application virtualization with VMware ThinApp? ThinApp virtualizes applications by encapsulating application files and registry settings into a single ThinApp package that can be deployed, managed, and updated independently from the underlying operating system or OS. The virtualized applications do not make any changes to the underlying OS and continue to behave the same across different configurations for compatibility.